Today we are going to draw a house. Hello little artist, welcome back to Canvas Magic. Let's start with the rooftop. Nice and big. This will keep our house safe and cozy. We will add the walls and a cute door. Every house needs a door. Let's add a little chimney on top. Look, warm and cozy smoke comes out. Now, let's make the roof even more special. We add curved tiles to give it a pretty texture. Step by step, our house is looking more amazing. Lovely window with curtains. But wait, someone is peeking out of the window. Draw a cute girl looking out. First her head, eyes and hair. Beautiful frog. Oh, she is holding a watering can? Maybe she watering her plant? Let's draw some bushy green grass on both sides. For the final touch, a hanging flower planter in the window. Wow! Our house looks so warm and lovely. We start with the walls. We are using a bright yellow, just like sunshine. Look up at the rooftop. A little bird is sitting there. I think she is enjoying our drawing. Rooftop and chimney, let's add a warm orange. Look, so cozy already. Now onto the door, soft pink to make it extra cute. But wait, it's open and close. Our house needs some fresh green. We will fill the bushy grass with a rich dark green. Let's add light green to make the grass look more lively. As the door opens, we can see inside the house. So cool! Now time to color windows curtain. Use olive green. Oh look! Our girl's eyes are moving. She is look around. And inside the house, we will paint the wall a light yellow to keep it warm and bright. Her hair is dark brown. Look, it's moving with the breeze. Wow! For her face and hands, we will use soft grip. She wears light blue frock with red sleeves. She looks so cute. We use purple color in watering can. Wow! Water is coming out of her watering can. She is helping the flowers grow. How amazing! Add bright red flowers. So pretty! We can't forget the sky. Fill it with a soft sky blue. Great job, little artist. I'm so happy. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Canvas Magic for more fun drawing. See you next time. Bye bye.